Solicitor General Jose Calida says nothing, not the Supreme Court nor the Constitution, can stop President Rodrigo Duterte and Congress from further extending martial law. Calida, in his memorandum sent to the SC Wednesday, says further extensions are possible for as long as the Congress believes that the invasion or rebellion continues to exist and the public safety requires it. He says, quote, "The court cannot, in the absence of any express or implied prohibition in the 1987 Constitution, prevent the Congress from granting further extensions of the proclamation or suspension." This is what the House Minority Bloc warned against. In their petition seeking to nullify the re-extension of martial law in Mindanao until the end of 2018, the lawmakers said the Philippines was heading towards a martial law in perpetuity. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque earlier said there's nothing to fear because the Constitution does not allow perpetual martial law, but Calida doesn't share the same opinion. He says, quote, "The period for which the Congress can extend the proclamation of martial law and suspension of the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus is a matter that the august body can itself define, unshackled by any predetermined length of time, contrary to the petitioner's erroneous submission." Calida also insists in his memorandum that extending martial law is not within the SC's power of judicial review. But in the same memorandum, he contradicts himself by saying one of the constitutional safeguards against abuse of the executive is that the SC can always step in. The Solicitor General says, quote, "The extension is subject to judicial scrutiny upon the exercise of any citizen of his or her right to question the sufficiency of its factual basis, as exemplified by the very action now before this honorable court."